If you are keeping honeybees, chances are good that your colonies will experience disease at some point. This can lead to some really important questions about honeybee health. You might be wondering, what are varroa mites and how do I get rid of them? My colony died. What happened? Should I treat my bees, be treatment-free, or go organic? Do skunks really eat bees? What other pests affect my colonies? Can I prevent diseases? And what are small hive beetles? If you are wondering about any of these questions, then you are not alone. Over the past 30 years, Stan and I have helped thousands of beekeepers get started with honeybees. You have asked some really great important questions about honeybee health, and we've gathered all of those questions together to make this course. In our premium course, Are My Honeybees Healthy?, you will learn how to prevent, treat, and diagnose honeybee diseases and pests. This course includes over 40 lessons with video and text content. We will take you beekeeping and share step-by-step strategies, inspection tips, and troubleshooting guides to help your colonies be healthy and happy. Some of the skills you will learn if you take this course include how to test for varroa mites and make treatment decisions, how to prevent disease by culling old comb, how to prevent and treat for Foulbrood, how to recognize the different smells in a beehive, how to recognize pesticide kill and absconding compared to normal bee behavior, to recognize and repair wax moth and mouse damage that happens to a hive that usually happens over the winter. And you will learn to recognize when skunks are eating your bees at night and how to fix it. Since these courses are online courses, you can take them anytime, anywhere in the world. You can start any time of year and refer back as you need to. They are 100% self-paced with pre-recorded videos. You'll have lifetime access, and as we update and refine these courses, you'll have access to all of those changes too. Included with this course is 52 emails. There's so much content out there to learn about beekeeping. You can avoid overwhelm by viewing the content in bite-sized pieces. Emails contain what you need to know for that week and what you can focus on a little bit at a time. Weekly emails will span all 6 courses. You will be able to access the links for the courses that you are signed up for. You can also experience these courses by searching by topic. We've built in a search function so that if you have a question about a specific thing and don't want to look through all the 270 lessons, you could type it in and it will pop up with the information that is relevant to your search. If you sign up for one of our courses, you become a member of our site, and all of the members have access to our Facebook group, which is called Beekeeping with the Honey Company. And that is a great place to post progress of your hive and ask and answer questions for other beekeepers. We also have printable guides that you can print and reprint as often as you need. It has checklists, recipes, tutorials, queen troubleshooting, and more. Begin this course after you've done one of the following. Either completed our first course, My First Colony, and the premium course, Beginning Beekeeping Skills, or if you already have honeybee colonies and some beekeeping experience. We will assume that you're keeping European honeybees in a temperate climate. These courses are totally adaptable if you're keeping another type of bee or in a different kind of hive. We hope you will sign up for our premium beekeeping course, Are My Bees Healthy?, which includes over 65 lessons to help you keep your bees healthy and happy. If you think this course is valuable, then you ought to see our bundle of all 6 courses at once. You get a very big discount for signing up for all 6 courses, and you get access to all of our beekeeping course information at the same time. We hope to see you there.